Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program for min stack problem. Okay, we are going to solve this problem that is min stack using an extra variable. We have solved it already with the use of extra stack, but in this video we are going to solve this problem by using extra variable. So for writing code, executing code, okay, I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. If you have this application, then you can open for writing code on your system, okay. And if you have not, then you can open online Java compiler. And this is my kindly request to you all, you practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way, in a best way, okay. And this is my kindly request to you all, you practice with me so that you can learn this topic in one go only, okay. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to write file name. We are going to our code going to uh, save there, okay. And just you be with me. After completion of code, I will execute the same code, okay. And after the execution of the program, I will write comment for each line, for each logic, okay. So that you can understand, or you can uh, get got this topic in one video only, okay. You don't need to uh, go anywhere. You will just do these things with me. You will definitely get it, okay. Okay, now I'm going to write get min stack dot java min stack with extra variable dot java, okay. Min stack with extra variable dot java, okay. Now um, I have made file name, okay. Now I'm going to write code, okay. So I need to write here public class. This is the file name only, min stack problem min stack with extra variable, okay. Now here should be one space, okay. Min stack, here should be t, okay. Min stack, okay, with extra variable, okay. Now I'm going to import insert first main method, for which we have to write psvm, that is public static void main, okay. We have to write for each code for executing it in uh, Java. We have to write this is the main method, public static void main string args or start of curly braces. Then I'm going to import a stack and a scanner class so that we can take user input and we can store our element into a stack. So I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner and import java dot util dot stack, okay. Util dot stack, here should be C. And then I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, okay. And then I need to write here that is user defined data type, and this is the object for this data type, that is min stack and new min stack and parenthesis and done. Okay, see, I will this is the user defined data type. I will define it after writing the code, after writing the logic for the main method. Okay, so I need to write here shout. I need to insert here what I am going to perform, that is min stack, min stack operation. Okay, min stack operation we have to perform, so I need to write this. Okay, and then I need to write shout first. If you user is want to use in, so if user choose case 1, then it means user want to do push operation. Okay, and if it is if user choose control C, control V. Okay, control V, control V, control V, control V. Here should be 2, and 2 means push. After that pop. We have to perform actually uh, 4 operation, that is push, pop, and top, and getMin in O of 1 time complexity. Okay, I have already uh, solved this problem in uh, previous video by use of extra stack. Okay, so what is the min stack problem is, in min stack we have to write the logic for stack operation which is going to take O of 1 time complexity to finding the minimum element present in the uh, stack. Okay, and in theory you have to write top. Okay, so here should be top. Okay, and after top you have to write get min, and after 4 you have to write case 5, which means user want to exit the program, and this is the unnecessary part, so we need to remove this. Okay, and after that I'm going to write a while loop. I need to write here enter, no, remove this. First write while loop, while it's true, condition is true, then you write enter choice, uh, enter any one above choice to perform min stack operation. Okay, I'm giving a message to user to choose one choice to perform min stack operation, means user want to push an element or pop on an element top, and user want to see the top element, user want to see the get minimum, means user want to look what is the minimum element present in the stack in O of 1 time complexity. This is the main things we have to uh, focus on. Okay, and then I need to take it if int int any int, I need to take it, what is this, enter any choice, I need to take choice and is equals to sc dot next int, and if user is entered the choice, then I need to write switch case, switch, and then here I need to enter choice, and after that I need to write case. If user is entering 1 means uh, user want to perform push operation, so we need to ask to user what enter value to push in the stack. Okay, so if user is want to enter, so it will take by using val variable, so I need to write sc dot next int, and we have to push it in the stack, so I need to write here main stack dot push val. Okay, main stack dot push val, and after that I need to write here val successfully successfully pushed in the main in the stack in the stack. Okay, file successfully pushed in the stack, and after that if user, and after that we need to write break statement. After completing the case 1, if user is entered has entered user has entered case 1 means he want to push perform push operation. After performing this operation we need to write break, so that that action will be performed, that means action will be performed and then go to another operation. Okay, so we need to write case 2. Okay, if user is has entered case 2 means he want to perform pop operation, so I need to write here min stack dot pop, and after the performing this pop we need to write break, and after pop user will be want to perform what case 2. After case 2, okay, after case 2 user wants to perform case 3 means after pop user want to perform top operation. After top user want to perform getMin means it will be 4. Here should be right dot getMin. Okay, and after 4, okay, case 4 you want to perform case 5. In case 5 it will be shout stack is means it user want to perform exit operation, so I need to write here program is exiting, and after that write we need to write here sc dot close to close the scanner class object. Okay, and after that, okay, after that I need to return the process. Okay, and if I need to write default statement, default. Okay, if user will be entered uh, another choice like 7 8, which is not mentioned in the menu. Okay, so it will print. It is now doing processing more. Okay, it is not running and right now. uh, don't worry, you have to just wait for, okay, till working it. Come means I need to write here system.out.println, system.out.println, and okay, it is doing processing. Okay, now open it again. Don't worry guys, it will be start. Okay, see if you have faced any issue, and just don't worry, uh, you need to focus on that mistake and you don't have to repeat the same mistake again and again. Okay, it is not. Okay, coming. It is hanging right now, so I need to wait to solve out this problem. Okay, system dot out dot println and println, and here I need to write this is invalid input, please enter enter valid, please enter valid input only. Okay, and this one, and then just break it. Okay, now I'm going to write a class where I will perform every operation like push, pop, top, get min. Okay, so I need to write here class min stack. I need to write here private private stack integer integer, and then I need to write here main stack where I'm going to save our all store. I'm going to store our uh, element. Okay, it will be correct. Okay, after that I need to write here private int in element. Okay, after that I need to write here a public constructor. default constructor I need to write here public min stack. Then I need to write here main stack is equals to new stack. Okay, done. Now I need to write here public. I need to perform push method. I have to write push method. Then I need to write after push method. I need to write pop method. After pop I need to write top method. I need and after top I need to write get method. Get min. Okay, we need to write four method. Okay, for this operation. Okay, now I am going to write first push method. Okay, so I need to write here public void here and int val. This element I am going to push it in the main stack. So I need to write if well, first we need to check if main stack is empty or not. If it is empty means you have to directly push this value into the stack. Okay, so I need to first check if stack is empty or not. If a main stack is empty is empty, then we have to directly push it. Then we need to write here main stack dot push value. Okay, and we have to let min element will be this value. Okay, and after that we need to write here else if stack is not empty means there is an element present in the stack, so we need to check if value current element is less than or equal or less than of min element. Then we need to store an modified element in the stack. Okay, we need to store modified element in the stack, so I need to write here else if this one. Then we need to store modified element that will be equal to that will be equal to south equal to not south. You need to write here main stack dot push what 2 into 2 into val minus min element. Okay, this is the modified value. We have to push it in the uh, main stack, and after that um, min element will be min element will be this value. Okay, it will be update. Min element will be update because it I found the smaller element of min element. Okay, then we have to what happened here. Okay, min element mean element will be this value, because I found the smaller element of mean element. Okay, I found the small element smaller than mean element. I found another element which is also present in the stack, which is also is smaller than mean element. Then then our mean element will be update. That's why I have write this logic. Okay, and if I have write this logic in else if condition. Okay, and else I have to write, if I found the current value is greater than mean element, then we don't have to do anything. We just have to push this element in the stack. Nothing we have to do. Okay, so I need to write here main stack dot push and then value directly. We don't have to do anything. Okay, and after that I have write complete logic for push an element in the stack. Okay, now I'm going to write the method for the pop operation. So I need to write here public void pop. See, if you have not understand this logic clearly, then you just write code with me. I will write comment after executing it, then you will be definitely get each things. Okay, so you have to wait for that. Okay, and you have to write the code, you have to execute the code, you have to do dry run, then you will be definitely get this topic. Okay, from scratch to advance. Okay, scratch to complete. Okay, I mean, okay, now I'm going to write I again perform what I will write approach, what I will write the code. If I want to perform pop operation, so this is the basic requirement, that element should be present. If element is not present in the stack, then we have to say element is not present, stack is empty, means we cannot pop an element. So you have to write this logic first. If main stack dot is empty, then we have to write condition. I have write condition. If main stack is empty, means we cannot stack is empty. Stack is empty. We can not pop. Okay, and after writing this code, we have to just return the process. Okay, and if and else if stack is not empty, then we have to write condition. Else if I have to write condition. Okay, I have to just do pop operation. So I need to write in top. I'm going to store that popped element in the top variable. Okay, so I need to I have store that element in the top. Okay, int top is equals to main stack dot pop. Okay, and and I am going to check if top is less than mean element. Means if it is mean element. Okay, if top is less than mean element, means we have uh, found the modified element. We have found, if top is less than mean element, means we have found modified element. We have to not pop that element. We have to then mean element will be the uh, top element of this condition. Okay, then we need to write here removed element will be what? Mean element. Okay, and here should be capital E. Okay, and after this condition i need to I need to do what? Mean element will be, I have to restore the previous minimum element. Okay, so we need to write here mean element will be what? 2 times 2 times 2 times top minus mean element. Okay, element. Okay, times top minus mean element. Okay, and after that if top is greater than mean element, then we have to directly print removed element. Removed element will be what? Top. Okay, okay, done. Now I'm going to write top method. Okay, so we have to check if I need to write here first method name, that is public void. I should write here else statement. If control X I have to do, and then I need to write else control V. Okay, after that I need to write here public void and top. Okay, if main stack dot is empty, means there is no element, then we don't have to pop anything. So I need to just write here system dot out dot println. Here I need to write here if main stack is empty, then you have to write stack is empty. We cannot perform perform top operation. Top operation. Okay, and then I need to write here. Okay, and then return the process. Okay, else if don't have to write else if, we just have to write int top is equals to main stack dot peak, and we have to return here shout if control Z. I have to write here if condition again. If top is less than mean element, means we have to mean element, we have to write shout top element is element mean element, because top has modified. Okay, and after that if else if you have to write else, you have to write what? Shout top element is Okay, now after that we have to write getMin. So I need to write here public void get public void get min and parenthesis after that if stack is empty. If main stack dot is empty, then just print completed. Then print stack is empty. We have no any element. We have no any element. Okay. Else else we have to write condition out the minimum element is what min element. Done. Now I have write complete code for min stack with using extra variable. Okay. Now I'm going to run this program. Okay, and after they run I will write comment. Don't worry if you have not understand some logic, some meaning of line. Okay, then don't worry, I will write comment for each snippet. Okay, it is coming perfectly. Min stack operation: push, pop, top, get, min, exit. Enter any one above choice to perform min stack operation. I am choosing one, means I want to. Okay, I want to push one. Enter value to push in the stack. I want to push one in the stack. So it is saying one successfully pushed in the stack. Now it is again saying enter any one above choice. Okay, so I am again choosing one, and after one pushing one I want to push 5. So here it is saying 5 successfully pushed in the stack. After 5 I want to push 8. So it is saying no, it is saying enter any one above choice. I have entered choice 8. Okay, means it is not present in the menu. Okay, it is not present in the menu here. I'm saying here. Okay, so it that's why it has said invalid input. Please enter valid input only. Okay, so again it is saying, so to enter I am now choosing uh, choice 4. I want to print minimum element of the stack. Okay, so I want to choose one. See, I have entered the smaller element, that is 1 in at position first. Okay, so I need to choose 4 to get minimum element. So it is saying minimum element is 1. Okay, and I now I want to perform top operation. So I need to select 3. So our top element is 5. This one I have entered it in the last. So last in first out, this is the principle or policy for the stack. Okay, that the element which will be entered last, it will get first. Okay, the element which I have entered first, then I can get it in the last. This is the LIFO principle, that is last in first out. Okay, this is for stack. Okay, now I am want to perform pop operation. See, I want to pop the top element. So I need to write here um, what to choose. I need to choose case 2. So it is saying removed element 5. Okay, now I want to do exit. Okay, so I need to choose 5. Okay, so it is saying program is exiting. Now I cannot enter anything because I have closed the object of the scanner class. See here, here I have closed this sc dot close. Okay, this is the logic. Okay, and return means it will return the computed value and terminate the process. Okay, now I'm going to perform another input. Okay, operation for okay. Now I'm going to enter any above choice. I'm entering uh, one. First you need to push element, so I need to push one. I'm going to again choose one. Then I need to, I have pushed 8, 5 and 7. Now I'm going to push 3. Now I'm going to push 6. Now I'm going to push 10. Okay, 10 successfully. I have pushed 8, 5, 7, 3, 6, 10. Okay, now I'm going to print 4. Means I'm going to get minimum element. Okay, of a stack. So I need to write, I have entered 4, then minimum element is 3. Okay, so now this is the complete things for execution part. Okay, now I'm going to write logic so that you can understand this code in one go only, and I hope you are enjoying it. Okay, and if you are doing the mistake while writing, uh, and you don't have to panic. Okay, you don't have to um, get extra stress. Okay, you have to focus where you are doing the mistake. In pop operation, don't worry, you will perform a pop operation again. You have to perform this push operation, top operation, get min. One time will come when you will get mastery of this problem. Okay, don't worry, everything will be okay. Now I'm going to write code. This is the scanner class. This is the object. No, this is the class, to take user input. Okay, and stack where importing. Okay, to store element in LIFO order. Okay, and this is the class. Okay, of min stack to, for what, to perform min stack, min stack. Okay, in o of, one time and o of one space complexity. Okay, now I have created main stack object to store encoded element. Okay, and this is the variable, this main variable, main element variable will store, will track the minimum element till now in the stack. Okay, and this is the constructor, constructor to initialize, initialize main stack object. Okay, I am checking first. I have performing push up operation, so uh, I need to check here if if stack is empty, then sorry, sorry guys. Okay, if a stack is empty, then um, then push push element, element directly, directly in the stack. Okay, if a stack is empty, then push element directly in the stack and let this first element minimum, min element, element also. Okay, and else okay, if current value, current value is is smaller than current minimum, current minimum min element, then then push modified, modified value in the stack. Okay, to perform, to to restore, restore the previous in the stack, so we can, we can restore the previous min element. Okay, this is the modified, modified value. Okay, and then update, update element, min element with new, with new val. Okay, if val is greater than min element, min element, then directly push, directly push in the stack. Okay, and after that I have performed pop operation. I have write the method name, okay, pop, with the void return type. Okay, means it will not return anything. Okay, it will just perform the operation. Okay, and then I have checked first if stack is empty, empty, then we can not perform this operation, this OPR. Then we have write condition for these things. Okay, that is if condition. Else we have write if top, if element is present in the stack, then we have to do pop operation, pop pop OPR, pop OPR. Okay, and store that in top variable for next process. Now I have checked here if top element is has is smaller than smaller than mean element, mean means mean element means means it is it has defined modified element we have to print mean element as removed. Okay, as removed. Okay, and modify and do modification to restore the mean element, previous mean, previous mean element. Okay, now modification has done. Okay, this is the modification to restore the previous previous element, previous mean element. Okay, and if I have write condition if stack, if top is greater than mean element, top is greater than mean element, then it will be it will be it will be if top is greater than mean element, then it will be directly print, it will be directly print for, it will directly print for pop, it will be directly print for popped element, like element. Okay, now I have performed top operation. Again I am checking if stack is empty, then we cannot perform any OPR. We cannot perform not any, this only. Okay, and return, why I am returning is to to stop the process, to terminate the process. Okay, and again I am picking else if I have write, if stack is not empty, then I am picking top element and I am storing this element in the top variable to perform next process. Okay, top this one, and I am checking if top value is smaller than smaller than minimum min element, means it is it is modified one. Now we have to print top element as min element. Element will be min element. Okay, else if I have write condition already, if top value is greater than min element then if top value is greater than min element, then then it will be directly print, then it will be directly print for what, directly print for, it will directly print for top. Okay, value, peak value, top or peak value, or top or peak value. Okay, and then I have write mean, I have write what, okay, don't worry, I will take care. It's running now, don't worry. If main stack, if main stack, main, if it's not main stack, stack only. If stack is stack is empty, means no any element no any element present. Okay, if a stack is empty means no any element present, then we cannot perform OPR, this operation. It's OPR. Okay, and directly return. I need to write here. Okay, and sorry guys. Okay, and if a stack is not empty, then current min element will be final min element for this stack. Okay, because it is it because the because it track because it tracks current minimum current min for each element current min for each element which which is which is storing in the stack. Okay, now I have right here file name. This is the file name where our code is going to save. Okay, and this is the main method under which we need to write each executive parts. Okay, and I have made here object for scanner class. Okay, take user input, and I have make object for user define data type, that is main stack. Okay, now I have write here menu to perform action to perform operation on menu to perform action need to perform operation on min stack. Okay, and now I have write here infinite loop. It will till get choice 5 choice. Okay, and I have write here switch statement switch statement to perform each case. Okay, and this choice will take read or read what is this star. This will read the choice user. Okay, and after that writing, mm, I have write here default statement when an user will enter other choice which is not mentioned which is mentioned not mentioned in the stack, uh, not mentioned in the menu. Okay, and break to terminate the case. Okay, I have used to terminate the case. So min stack problem is about problem is about we have to we have to make a stack which can display 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 the operation is running now. Don't worry, guys. Come. Don't worry, guys. It will be okay. We have to make a stack which can stack. It is coming. Don't worry. Come, bro. Now I have write already enough things. Now I'm just writing the problem statement and what we are doing. Okay, and then I will post this video. Okay, coming. Don't worry. Hmm. Now It's not running now. Don't worry, guys. It will run. Okay. Just wait, 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 wait. Hmm. Yeah. We have to make a stack which can display pop, top, get min element in O of one time and space complexity. Okay, only like we have entered 8, 5, 6, 3, 2. Then top will be top will be 6. Top will be 6. Push operation in push operation 8, 6, 3, 2 and 6 will come, and and pop after top push pop will be also come 6, and min will be, what will be the min element, right? Get min will be 2. Okay, all these things will perform performed in O of one time. Okay, this is our problem and this is our code. This is the uh, comment. Now I hope you get everything, and still you have not getting some things. Okay, then you need to do dry run with yourself. Okay, then I for sure said you will be definitely get these topics. Okay, now I'm going to close this video. Have a nice day and thank you. Bye. Should I execute it again? Okay, one time. Okay, wait for a minute. It is coming, don't worry. Laptop is too hot right now. Will come. Hmm, it has come. Okay, now I am going to enter 1. Enter value to push. I am entering 5. Again I am entering 7, 6, 2, 9. Now I am going to, I have entered element 5, 7, 6, 2 and 9. The pop, I am going to pop up, doing pop, so I need to write here 2. Now remove the element will be 9 because I have entered it in the last. Okay, Now I'm going to perform top. So I need to write, I have removed, then it will print top, means it will print 2. Then I need to enter here 3. The top element is 7 because before 9 I have entered 7, I think. The top element is 7. Here I have entered 7, this one. Okay, but I have entered 7 before 9. I have entered removed 6 because I have performed already. uh, Here I have already performed operation 2, means I have already popped. That's why it has a print the previous top. Okay, that is 7. Okay, so our code is working perfectly. Okay, and now I am going to perform case 4. So I need to write here 4. So in minimum element is 5. Right now it is talking about right now, because 7 has removed, 2 has already removed. No, no. 9 has already removed, 6 has already removed. Enter any element, and the current minimum is present, that is 5. So that's why it has printed minimum element as. And now I'm going to exit the process. I need to write here 5. Our code is working perfectly. I have write problem statement, I have write logics for each thing, I have write uh, comment so that you can understand. Now I hope you are have understood this topic, and if you have don't understand some logics, some things, so you don't have to worry. This is the big program, guys. Okay, which is asked in big companies. Okay, you have to do what you have to do. You have to do dry run only, and you have to write code, you have to write comment, you have to do executing the program with me, and you have to do dry run with yourself. This is the way you can definitely get it. Okay, uh, I will I am making the series of DSA in Java, so you have to be with me. Okay, I will upload this channel. Will upload the video for DSA in Java, approx thousands of video lecture. Okay, whether it's basic things, advanced thing, I don't care. I will upload each and everything, whether it's small, basic, and very small, very basic, very advanced. I will upload everything. Okay, whether the topic is asked in college examination, interview examination, anywhere. Okay, I will upload for each things. Then you just have to be with me, and you have to practice with me. You have to do try run with yourself. Bye, have a nice day. Now I'm going to close this. It's coming. Bye.